Good morning. That was a long night. I forgot what camping in the fall is like. A lot of darkness. It got dark around 7 and it gets light at around 7, so it's like 12 hours of darkness. And when it first gets dark, my first inclination is just go to bed. But if you do that, you're going to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. At least I will. We'll wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Nothing to do. All right, I'm back on the lake where I caught my personal best brown trout. That's one of the, I'll list the video right up here somewhere. I am going to see what I can catch. Wish me luck. We're fishing. All right, that got cold. It started to sprinkle. I didn't have my rain gear, and it's cold outside too. And that breeze, it just was tearing me up. I'm gonna go back to camp, make some pancakes for Abby and Kathy, and then I'll get some my rain gear, and we'll come back down. We still have a lot of fishing to do. I haven't caught anything yet, but that was fun out there. I paddled around the entire lake, got some exercise, and now I'm gonna go eat some pancakes and ruin all that exercise. Oh yeah, coffee. How's your pancake, Abby?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right. Wow. What a sugar bomb that breakfast was. Tasted good, though. All right. We're walking down to the lake to see what kind of damage we can do on the fish population here. I feel like we should be whistling the Andy Griffith theme song. In a minute, Abby's gonna pick up a rock and throw it. Not really. She doesn't know who Andy Griffith is. Are you Opie? Do you even know what I'm talking about?
Nope.
Why are you smiling, laughing, then just being polite? Oh, the younger generation. They don't even know Andy Griffith reruns because they're in black and white, and my kids don't like watching shows that are in black and white.
Good cast. So what is it you just caught, Abby?
Seaweed.
She's gonna make a salad with it.
Well, Abby, I don't know about you, but I'm beginning to think the fish in this lake hate us. They're haters. They won't bite our bait. Don't they know what we paid to come here? Setting up camp and setting up a fishing pole. Don't they know how much effort that took? And they won't even give us a common courtesy of giving us a single nibble. Yeah, these fish are haters. We're not haters. We're likers, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're heading back to camp. We're gonna make dinner and have Philly cheesesteaks. So, do you know what a Philly cheesesteak is?
Nope.
But did we have fun? Yeah. It's not all just about catching fish. If you can learn how to have fun fishing without catching fish, you're gonna have a hobby that's gonna be with you the rest of your life that you'll enjoy. But if you're one of those people that just like catching fish and they get upset when they don't, well, this hobby sucks. Abby,
Yeah?
would you like to start this fire tonight?
Yeah.
Do you think steel wool will start on fire?
Yeah.
You do? You trust me?
Yeah.
First, we got to pull it all out. Like stretch it. All right, see if you can get this. This is what it looks like.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. That looks better.
Yeah.
All right, Abby and I are gonna make some charcloth. You ever make charcloth?
Nope.
All right, just start ripping this stuff up. Do you know what charcloth is?
Is it a charcoal, but it's like cloth?
Yeah, it's charcoal cloth. Okay, you can just put that in as is. Just stuff it in there. Now I want to make sure this isn't hot. It was in the fire. All right, then all we do is close it up. And put it in the fire. And wait. Thank you, Abby.
You're welcome.
Like last night in the previous video, we have to chop it all up and cut it all up. And this is gonna be really good. Takes a little bit of effort, but brisket is awesome. That battery and steel wool trick, that's pretty cool. All right, now Kathy's going to quarter these, cut them in half, and then cut them in half again, then take the seeds out. And I am going to get some cheese sauce going. Just a little milk. How to do the trick. Put a bit too much milk in, so I'll have to put extra cheese in to thicken it up a little bit. It is awesome. I got so hot cooking in front of that fire. I had to take my sweatshirt off, my hat, I was roasting. All right, Kathy. You're next up.
I'm next.
And the price is right.
Come on down.
Is that as good as it looks? I know, it's good. All right, we're gonna finish our dinner. Then Abby wants to make some s'mores, then we'll see what we'll do after that. We're having fun. Is camping fun? Camping's fun, especially after you've eaten. That meal is a pain in the butt though. All right, Abby, let's check out, see if the char cloth worked. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's
I
real.
know. Touch it, it's like papery.
Ooh.
See, that'll catch a spark, and then you blow on it, and then you have like the steel wool, and it glows, and then it makes a flame as long as you have kindling tinder with it.
That's cool.
Well, thank you for helping me make it.
You're welcome.
What time is it? No. 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 What time is it? It's s'mores time. Good. Everybody likes s'mores, right? Do you like s'mores? Do you eat s'mores? I steal the chocolate once in a while, but I don't really eat the s'mores.
Until John. And if you are willing to accept it, he is the Elijah who was to come.
I appreciate you, And if you like this video, can you give it a like and subscribe? That'd be really cool, and it would help our channel out big time. Thanks.